In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Stripe checkout page. By the end, you'll have a shareable checkout link or a simple buy button you can embed on your site. All without writing any backend code. We'll move through setting up your product, generating a payment link, customizing the checkout experience, and finally sharing it where your customers can see it. First, head to your Stripe dashboard and open the product catalog. Create a new product for the item you want to sell. Give it a clear name and description so customers know exactly what they're buying. Add a price, either a one-time amount or a recurring plan if it's a subscription, and set the currency. If you have images, upload a clean high-resolution photo to help the product stand out on the checkout page. You can also specify tax behavior and indicate whether the item requires shipping. Save your changes when everything looks good. Next, generate your checkout link. From the product or price you just created, click the option to create a payment link. Stripe will guide you to select the price you want to sell and confirm basic options like quantity settings. As a quick tip, if you are still experimenting, keep an eye on whether your dashboard is in test mode or live mode so you don't confuse test transactions with real sales. Now customize the checkout experience. You can enable shipping address collection if you are sending a physical product and limit shipping to specific countries if needed. Turn on promo codes to run discounts and promotions, and consider enabling automatic tax calculation to make sales tax compliance easier in supported regions. You can also capture billing addresses. Allow customers to adjust quantity and tailor the confirmation details to match your brand voice. If you plan to sell internationally, double-check your allowed payment methods so customers can pay the way they prefer. Take a moment to review the preview so you know exactly what buyers will see. Finally, share your checkout. Copy the generated URL and paste it into your website, social posts, emails, or a profile link. If you want a more integrated feel on your site, use the provided buy button code. Paste that snippet into your page builder or HTML block, and position it where your call to action belongs. It's mobile-friendly out of the box, but always test the link or button on both desktop and phone to ensure everything loads quickly and looks clean. That's it, your Stripe checkout page is ready to take payments. Thanks for watching.